Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm doing some recycling of these coffee pods. Basically, I'm recycling a month's worth of coffee pods, and according to the instructions, basically, like I use a knife to go ahead and make a slice there. And then I will peel this back here. Basically peel all the spoil away, throw it away. And then I have a container that I've been emptying the coffee into. Basically scrub out the coffee, give it a couple good taps, and it's all cleaned out. And then I put it over here where I've stacked up a bunch of containers. I'm going to go through and basically do a whole bunch of coffee containers like this. Actually, I'm doing an entire month's work. I could say that the whole reason why I'm doing a whole month's worth is because I wanted to see how much I did in a month, but that is not the truth. The whole reason I'm doing a whole month's worth is because I was procrastinating. Truth be known. There we go. So I will show you the result works in the end, the little video, and show you how many coffees I drank in an entire month. And if you know me, you'll know it's quite a lot. So this is how many pods I drank in an entire month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20. There's our 20 stacks, so 149 coffees. So that's how much coffee grounds, and that's how much waste is actually going into the garbage. The 149 coffees in a month. That'll go to recycling. That'll go to compost. Just an idea. That's how much coffee I drink in a month. You think of it. We think about how many cups of coffee that is, say 149 pods, which works out to be about 12 ounces per cup, which is about 225 cups of coffee at 12 ounces. So it works out to be about 7.45 cups of coffee. I guess for those who wanting to know, if you want to go right exact, the 149 plus 12 ounces works out to be about 223.5 ounces of coffee, which works out to be 7.45 cups if you want to get right exact. But about 8 cups a day for me. I mean, I'm talking about a 30 month day, so it's about 8 cups of coffee that I drink a day. Which isn't true, because we're only talking about the coffee that I drink in the morning before I head out sometimes on the road, and I still drink about 2 or 3 cups there, so between 8 and 12 cups of coffee a day. I've cut down a bit because it's not in the 20 cup range that it used to be, but it is still a lot of coffee. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to do the recycling from the Keurig pods. Like a lot of people always give me heck, you use Keurig, fill up the landfills and kill all the whales of the earth. Am I drinking coffee going to kill the whales? I guess they gotta die, because I'm going to drink coffee. However, I recycle. I do my best to recycle. I recycle the pods, and then again, you can take the coffee grounds and you can scatter them in your garden. I hear coffee is good for the garden, or you can compost them and put them in your compost container. So, anyways, that's my little adventure through the Keurig coffee recycling thing. This is Stan, the head geek at Geek Translation.